Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. So if you have a Whirlpool jar that's not heating, this video is for you. We're going to teach you how to test each part with a multimeter and show you the sequence. So let's get started. So the first step for a jar to start is the door switch. The first thing you would do is test it with a multimeter. So say if your jar was not starting, it should read 0.1 to 0.5 ohms. So once power does transfer through the door switch, it does go through the timer, and then the timer sends power output to the thermal fuse. If the thermal fuse is open line, it means the dryer will not heat and the igniter will not glow. You will test this fuse with a multimeter, should be 0.1 to 0.5 ohms. So the next part in the sequence is the igniter. So an igniter can glow and still be bad. It could be weak, or if you look at it, it could be a little white. These should read anywhere from 46 ohms minus 25 or plus 25%. The next part in the sequence is the gas coils, or gas valves. So how they work, they get the power which comes from the igniter. And here's a chart above. You can test each one with a multimeter and make sure the resistance is correct. Bad, or I would say symptoms of these going bad, would be, say your dryer would work at first for the first 1 or 2 or even 3 lows, and then it would stop working until you let it cool down. Or just say if your dryer stopped working and you came back 2 hours later and it started again, that's the symptoms of a bad gas valves. So let's go over the sequence one more time. So it has to get power, which goes through the door switch, and then it goes through the timer, and then the timer sends power to the thermal fuse, which the igniter will not glow if the thermal fuse is bad, and then next is the igniter, and then the gas coils. Well, I hope you enjoyed this simple little video, and please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and have a good day.